Hello guys, welcome back to the video. We'll discuss in before classes a picture of Python with case sensitive, Python supports procedural, functional, and object-oriented programming, and Python is dynamic language, programming language. Python is open source. And now we discuss about two more features of Python. Let's start with Python is a interrupted Python is a interrupted programming language. Python is an interrupted programming language. In Java, the code will be whatever we written, the code will be the compiler. It runs entire program at a time. But in Python, it runs line by line. It runs line by line. How first Python compiler compiles the first line of the code. It is a is equal to 10 and enter to the second line of the code. If b equals to 10. So it is called as an interrupted programming language. Because if the compiler compiles the code then line by line way is called as in Python interrupted programming language called as Python, yeah, interrupted programming language. And one more point is 6 point. Python is a platform independent language. Python is a platform independent language. It shows we can see many more operating systems in the market. If they are uh, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, iOS, or something. Next, these all operating system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ operating system ಒಳಗೂ Python same ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. In those all in operating systems, the Python will work same as in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or something operating system. Python will work same as it is. That's the main point. That the code as platform independent. Okay. Now move to variables. What is variable? A variable is a name which given for a memory location. A variable is a name which is given for a memory for a location. For example, we assign a equals to 10, 15, a equals to 10. A will store the value of 10 in memory. In memory, this is called as a variable. It stores the value of 10 in memory, the reference of a. Okay, now we can see uh, the location of memory, the location of this variable by using the id method. Using the id method. Now we can see this right id and id of a. Now we will get the okay. Sorry, this is the syntax. This is syntax. I will show how to print this. Okay, now Now you can now go to idle. This is the idle, which is called as compiler of an Python. Idle. This is the first phase of an idle. IDLE. This is the first shell. We can write single line code here only. So we can write p equals to 10. It accepts. Okay. Now I can get this memory location by using id keyword. Id of a enter. See now this is something 1401908 something. This is the location of the variable. There are some rules in creation of variables. Okay, there are some rules in creation of variables. Let's see the rules. Let's see the rules. Let's see the rules. Identifier. This is the first rule. Identifier should not start with a number. Should not start with a number. Suppose we can see here a equals to 12. Okay, this is the right way. Uh, this is wrong way. I can show you. I will show you. 1a equals to 12. This is the wrong way. See, here, syntax error, invalid, decimal literal. Okay, the first rule is to don't use number in a starting. Okay, don't use the number in a starting. We can use like this after alphabet we can give numeric. Okay, now see equal to 10. Suppose a1 equals 10. It accepts. Okay, it accepts. This is the first rule. We can't use numeric word. No, sorry, numeric in starting of a variable. Okay, we can use after a character. Suppose A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Can use like this one, like use. Okay, that's it. And one more rule is there. The second rule, special characters are not allowed in identifiers X underscore. Okay, special characters are not allowed. What are the special characters? Special characters are nothing but in English, uh, at the rate, star, question mark, something. So dollars, well, something. These are not allowed to create a variable. This is the wrong way to create a variable. Now we can see. Now we can see. Okay. Start with at a equals to 10. Now check it. There is syntax error. Invalid syntax. Maybe we need. Oh, there is something error. There is no. You don't use an at symbol before creating a variable. Okay. Now you can accept in these only. You can use underscore. You can use underscore as a special character. You can use underscore a equals to 10. You can use like this. It accepts. It will accept. One more one. A underscore equals to 12 will accept. Underscore 1 point. Special characters are not allowed. Okay? Special characters are not allowed except underscore. Underscore will be allowed. Only the underscore will be accessed in variable name. And one more. Third rule is keywords are not allowed as identifiers. Keywords are not allowed as variable names. This is simple. Keywords are keywords are not allowed. Keywords are words are special. Keywords are called as reserved words, which is it has specific function in Python. Keywords are nothing but is, as, Ellie, valid keywords. While coming to valid keyword, we should not use these keywords as a variable name. Suppose we use for this. We use we that keywords. If is equal to 10, it shows that correct. Okay. The third rule is keywords are not allowed as variable names. Okay. Keywords are not allowed as variable names. Okay. After and now play it. Okay. Now okay, I will show how to print the keywords. How to protect keywords. I know some keywords, but not all. But we can print the keywords in these only. Okay. Now, simple code is there to print all keywords. Let's do import import keyword for keyword import keyword enter for the WLASC is the command. Let's move on. See, there is a keyword list of the keywords. False, non, true, wrong, right, user clarity, result, search currency, link, the weight, break, class, container, something. These are the keywords. These are the keywords. Must not use in used as variable name. Okay. Now move on next topic. That is data structure. Data structure. Now move on. Next is data structure. Data structure. Now there are two types in data structure. Yeah, there. So now I want to show clearly. There are two types in data structure. DX. There are two types. One is built-in data structure. Built-in data structure. And another one is user-defined data from data structure. So now in built-in in built-in data structure, there are two types in built-in data structure. Okay? There are two types in built-in data structure. There are two types in built-in data structure. One is single value database. Single value database, and another one is collection database. Collection database. And in Single value data types. There are many types in single value data type. There are many types in single value data type. One is int, float, variable, boolean, complex, non. And in collection data type, collection data types, there are many types in collection data types. Okay, that means set, array, list, and people, chain, dictionary, sorry, chain, chain, dictionary. These are the collective data types. Okay. Now, user-defined data structures are user defined have linked data structure, linked list, stack, queue, graph, tree, graph and tree. These are the user-defined data structure. These are user-defined data structure and data structure. There is two major points. One is built-in data structure and user-defined data. Built-in are in built-in data structure are in Python. There are data structure means single value data type collection data type. There are linked list, stack, queue, and graph structure. These are the types in data structure, and we move to we can more concentrate about built-in data structure with in float, double, and booleans. Okay, so we move to this concept, which is memory allocation. Okay? Memory allocation. Do you think memory allocation? Do you think I will I will say A equals to 10 and B equals to 9 and equals to 10? If you think A equals to 10, B equals to 11, let's say, you can observe that A and C have same value. Okay, A and C have same value. Do you think the memory allocation will be held separate frames or not? Is the question. Answer is no. The memory allocation of A and C will compromise each other. Will share the data each other. Will share the memory each. Okay. Now see. Now we can see. Can find memory location of a variable using ID keyword. Now we can see memory location of A. You can see 140 something. And now memory location of B. You can see here also. There is some different, I think. I think different. Now we can see C equals to, sorry, ID of, you can see there is same memory in the A data in the A variable. There is same memory location of variable C also because the value is same. It shares, it shares some memory for C. They both share a memory, but and B is different. Okay, B is different because B has a different value. So this is the memory. And one more thing, and one more thing, one more. We should discuss about this. What you can write the point, which is if multiple variables are have same integer or value, then their memory location will be shared. As we see in here, memory location will be shared. New memory location will not create it. This is right. And now one more we can see here equals to 10. 12, and here equals to 30. You think this is the right or wrong? In Python, we won't allow the duplicate variable. Jordan, duplicate variable. Suppose we create a variable in duplicate, it will access the latest value. It will access the latest values. In place of a equal to 10, will return a equals to 13. A equals to 13. A equals to 13. Now, yes. Now we can see ID of the equals to something. Some memory location. Okay. Duplicate memory location cannot be created. If we try to create, the old value will be overridden with new value, and if any value does not have any reference, then it directs to garbage location. It will the old value of A will be direct will be changed into new value as 13, and the value of 10 will be gone to garbage area. Okay, clear? Clear? Now let's move to, so that's enough for today. That's enough for today. Uh, there is any questions, there is any query guys you can ask in comment section. This is for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you.